morning everyone. This is me, Lara Angela B. Sigera. So ngayong araw ay maghahanap tayo ng pwedeng ma-interview sa bahay na ito. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So yan guys, may nahanap na ako dito ma-interview. Tara. So ata pwede pa po ma-interview?
About saan po?
Para lang po sa sa English.
Sige, pwede naman.
Sige po. Unahan ko na sa... pwede ko malaman yung pangalan mo.
Sige. My name is Talia Jen F. Marquez. Yun lang. Name ko.
So, yung first question ko is, if you could eat one Filipino food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Sinigang na baboy.
So, number third, what's your current K-drama, anime, or TikTok obsession?
Right now, I'm really into book to screen adaptation. I enjoy watching stories that originally books because it's exciting to see how the character and scenes are brought to life.
Okay. So, next is coffee or milk tea?
Milk tea!
Ay.
Why? Kasi,
Sige, why?
I'm not really a fan of coffee kasi masyado siyang bitter.
Yeah. So, number 5, tatagalog naman tayo. Ano yung talent mo na hindi alam ng karamihan?
Parang alam na dito yun sa bahay lagi.
Ano yun?
Siguro talent ko pagkanta.
Ah,
Di ba, mahilig ako kumanta lalo na dito sa bahay. Pag mag-isa lang sa bahay, kumakanta ako mag-isa. Tapos syempre naririnig niyo yun.
yes. Number 6, balik sa English. If you had a free weekend with no budget, what would you do in Manila?
Syempre ano lang, I would spend time with my family and enjoy simple activities like singing, cook together, and just relax at home.
Okay, nice. Then next, anong kanta yung paulit-ulit mong pinapakinggan ngayon?
Parang halo-halo. Pero yung hindi ko lang napapatugtog, yung Blood by Kai. Kasi favorite ko din yung color and sobrang kalmado lang ng melody. Tapos na-appreciate ko talaga. Hindi ko pagsasawaan na pakinggan.
Next, what's a small thing that instantly makes your day better?
Syempre, watching my favorite movies, series that instantly make my day better. It's helped me relax, makes me smile, and gives a break from stress.
Next naman.
Stress ako sa grade 12.
So next, kung teleserye ang buhay mo, anong title?
Hindi pa tapos kasi pakiramdam ko marami pa akong gustong matutunan, maranasan, at maabot. Naniniwala ko bawat araw at bagong pagkakataon para mas mabuting version sa sarili ko. Galing ko na, kayo ka na.
So last but not the least.
Parang pipili ko dyan.
Yeah.
Pipiliin ko dyan, wifi agad.
Good explanation. You can only save one, rice or Wi-Fi.
I would choose rice. Wi-Fi is important, but food is more important because we need it to survive. I can live without the internet for a while, but I can live without eating. That's why I would always choose rice.
So, yun lang.
Thank you!
Thank you.